What is in these bulbs? I can even put this bulb on capacitive. Check this out. It's kind of like it's capacitive. Normally you screw a short here and it's on. So what's in it? I guess it's time to find out. You know what? I'll spare you the cutting. I'll be back. Still interested in knowing what it has? Ta-da! Well, of course I expected it to have some LEDs, but really I'd like to know what power supply it have. It's kind of naughty inside it, you know. So it's not a super cap of some types. It seems like there's something like a battery in there. That's a battery. I'll spare you this part. So here you go. Some sort of 18650 battery. Just branch up in here. And of course you have your driver circuit. There's the driver. So this part went to the mains right there. So the idea is to screw this bulb in the regular light socket, and then it charges this battery. So when you remove this thing, you can have light on the run. So now I know I'm satisfied. So that's what it is. 18650, not super capacitors. Cool anyway.